frogs use their claws like tiny grabby tools. Crocodile! Crocodiles stay super still to sneak up like river statues. Shark! Sharks glide so smoothly, they barely make a sound. Dolphin! Dolphins talk in squeaks that sound like giggles. Whale! Whales blow giant water puffs from their blowholes. Penguin! Penguins waddle like they're wearing silly snow boots. Pufferfish! Pufferfish can puff up bigger than a balloon. Clownfish! Clownfish hide in squishy sea anemones like cozy beds. Goblin shark! Goblin sharks shoot their jaws forward like surprise grabbers. Snail! Snails carry their homes as they glide along. Blue tangfish! Blue tangs flash bright colors when they're excited. Jellyfish! Jellyfish drift like floating, glowing umbrellas. Lobster! Lobsters wave long antennae to feel around in the dark. Shark! Some sharks glow in the deep like swimming lanterns. Squid! Squid change colors to hide in a blink. Turtle! Turtles tuck into their shells when they want a quiet moment. Eel! Eels slither through water like bendy noodles. Fish! Many fish travel in sparkly groups called schools. Donkey! Donkeys have super strong ears that hear faraway sounds. Starfish! Starfish walk using hundreds of tiny tube feet. Seal! Seals flop on land but zoom like rockets underwater. Hippopotamus! Hippos snooze underwater and pop up to breathe. Orca! Orcas splash giant waves with their powerful tails. Caterpillar! Caterpillars wiggle along eating leaves like tiny munching machines.